Sis, you are doing everything that the gurus and your last coaching program told you to do. Posting 3 to 5 times per day, going live daily, commenting in Facebook groups, cold DMing random people to quote unquote connect. And although you might be making sales, you're also burnt out. There is a better way, one that doesn't require you to show up on social media to make sales and secure clients. Instead of spending fruitless hours on social media, you need to automate your lead generation with ads. When you do this, you'll never have to worry about where your next client is coming from. Instead, you'll fill your sales pipeline with right fit clients who are interested in your offer and are ready to buy on autopilot. You'll get leads every day, sales calls every week, and clients every month without relying on social media. Just like my client who landed 2 4-figure clients without as much as logging into her IG or Facebook accounts. I'll be teaching the exact method that my clients are using to get sales without social media in my upcoming webinar, How to Make Sales Without Social Media. In this 60-minute webinar, I'll share how to use ads to consistently secure new 4-figure clients, the simple 4-step sales funnel that you need to go from 0 to 10K or more per month in sales without launches, challenges, or social media burnout, how to become social media optional while still making sales so that you can be a full-time mom. It's happening on Tuesday, September 24th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, and the replay will only be available for those who register. So whether you're a mom who's new to online coaching or if you've been at this for some years but haven't seen the results that you want, I'll lay out the exact steps to get to 4-figure sales without social media. You can register at themonetizemom.com/webinar. Now, after the webinar, I'll be opening fall enrollment for the Paid Mom Mastermind. Now, this is my 12-month done with you ads and sales program for moms who want to make sales without launches, challenges, or social media burnout. Inside the Paid Mom Mastermind, you'll learn the marketing and sales system to sell your high-ticket coaching offer without social media so that you can scale to 6 figures while being a full-time mom. By registering for the webinar and booking a sales call by Tuesday, October 1st, you'll qualify for the 4-figure in 4 days training. This training will only be available live to those who book a sales call for the Paid Mom Mastermind by October 1st. Making your first or next 4 figures can happen in a matter of days. In this training, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make sales without endless posts or live streams or even before your ads are launched. You'll come into the program knowing exactly what you need to do to secure 4-figure sales within the first 30 days of being enrolled. To learn more, register for the webinar at themonetizemom.com/webinar. Talk soon.